Troops is only as strong as the team connected. To set your team up for success, go to Team on your Troops dashboard at app.troops.ai. Why does someone need an account? With a Troops account, you can use action buttons like updating Salesforce records from Slack, create or edit workflows, use /troops, and you can be added as a recipient to specific workflows. Here you can see all your team members in your Slack workspace and whether or not they are connected to Salesforce and Troops. Team members that are fully connected to Troops will show up as available recipients on any workflow. To invite team members that are not yet connected, simply click Invite next to their name. Here you can monitor who has accepted their invite. While you're setting up your team, confirm your time zone on the Account Settings page. Lastly, add some personality to your team with our custom GIF library. Choose a GIF and assign it to either an individual person or the entire team. Whenever that person fires a workflow with a GIF enabled, the GIF will be attached. That's it! Watch Troops improve visibility across your organization.